In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview drawing tools. Whether you're just starting out in Tradingview or looking to sharpen your charting skills, understanding how to use these tools effectively can make a big difference in your analysis. Tradingview offers a wide variety of features to help you interact with and interpret your charts. From drawing trend lines to marking key price levels, and if you're new to Tradingview, you can sign up using the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive in and explore how these tools work, step by step. The first tool we'll look at is the cursor tool. To begin, click on the cursor icon located on the left side of the Tradingview interface. This is your primary tool for interacting with the chart, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Once you've opened the cursor menu, you'll see several options to choose from. If you need pinpoint accuracy to show the exact price and time, go for the cross. If you prefer something less obtrusive, you can select the dot option. The arrow is great for selecting or picking items on your chart. For group presentations or screen sharing, the demonstration option is your best bet. And finally, there's the eraser, which comes in handy when you need to quickly remove mistakes or unwanted lines. Each of these options is tailored to specific needs, so you can pick the one that best suits your workflow. Next, let's move on to the line tools. To access these, click on the line drawing tool in the toolbar. From here, you can choose the line type that fits your analysis. If you want to identify trends or highlight support and resistance levels, the trend line is an excellent choice. For marking constant price levels, select the horizontal line. And if you want to indicate specific time points, the vertical line will do the job. Let's take the trend line as an example. Start by clicking on your chart to set the starting point, then drag your cursor to the desired endpoint. This is a fantastic way to analyze trends and identify key market levels that might influence your trading decisions. Now let's explore the pattern tools. To get started, click on the Patterns tool in the toolbar. One of the most commonly used patterns is the XABCD pattern. After selecting it, you'll need to click on 5 points on the chart to define the structure of the pattern. This is particularly useful for marking advanced chart formations like harmonic patterns. Keep in mind, though, that it might take a bit of practice to get comfortable defining these structures. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first. It gets easier over time. Moving on, we have the forecasting and measurement tools. Start by clicking on this tool in the toolbar. One powerful option here is the long position tool. Once you select it, click on your chart to place the tool. This will display key information for a potential trade, including the entry point, stop loss level, and profit target. It's a great visual aid for planning trades and managing risk effectively. Now let's take a look at the geometric shapes. Begin by selecting the brush tool from the toolbar. This tool allows you to draw freely on the chart by clicking and dragging your mouse. It's especially helpful for highlighting specific areas, circling candles, or even sketching quick notes directly on your chart. This kind of freehand drawing adds a personal touch to your analysis. Next up are the annotation tools. To add text to your chart, select the text tool from the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the chart and type in your desired text. Adding notes is a simple but effective way to maintain clarity and consistency in your analysis. Whether it's a reminder about a key level or a note about market sentiment, these annotations can help you stay organized. Now let's talk about icons. To use these, click on the Icons tool from the toolbar. You can add symbols like stars, arrows, or even emojis to your chart by simply clicking where you want them placed. Icons are a quick and easy way to highlight important areas without cluttering your chart with lots of text. Finally, we have the Measure tool. Select this tool from the toolbar, then click and drag between any 2 points on the chart. This will measure the distance in price or time between those points, giving you a clear sense of scale. Whether you're analyzing how far the price has moved or how long a trend has lasted, this tool provides quick insights. And there you have it. These are just some of the foundational tools Tradingview offers to enhance your chart analysis. Remember, there are even more features to explore as you get comfortable, but mastering these basics will set you up for success. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.